Next on our list is Heineken, stock we've liked a lot over time. Global operator. It has a Dutch heritage though. Market capitalization 46.82 billion euros. But, you know, give or shake, that's about $46 billion or thereabouts. Price earnings ratio 30. That tells you the company's been doing well and is much beloved. Dividend yield only 1.65. What can we say about them? Just a tremendous, tremendous brand. This extremely visible.
Yeah, this is a quality company. And, you know, its flagship brand, Heineken, sold in so many countries around the world.
I can see you can't take your eyes off the bottles here.
It's wonderful. It really is. Such clever marketing. You know, the red star, that's the iconic symbol of this thing, sold in so many countries around the world. And I think one of the big differences between this and SAB Miller was that SAB Miller never had a global brand.
A truly global brand.
Exactly. So they had to go in there and do an awful lot of marketing on the ground, and they were very successful at it. Whereas Heineken comes in and everyone recognizes this thing, and it's a symbol. It's an aspirational symbol. You've arrived if you're drinking Heineken.
And presumably what the company does is that once the market in a particular region reaches critical mass, then they put in a brewery as opposed to doing an import type thing. They change the nature, and they've done that here in South Africa.
Did that here? They got one done in Alberton.
Exactly. Sebenza, I think it's called, on the R59 there. That all works well. But remember, globally, they do have some other brands in there. They bought a business called FEMSA in Mexico, which gives them Dos Equis and Sol, but only in Mexico, Bohemia. They've got a couple of other things going on, Lagunitas, which is a craft brewery in California. But it's the global brand that really does all the heavy lifting. Let's talk about control of the company. It still rests with the descendants of Freddie Heineken and his family, right?
Yes, Mrs. de Carvalho.
And that's a problem, because there are quite a lot of people that would have liked to buy this company. But they just say no.
That's right. And I think it's going to remain there. FEMSA, you mentioned, it's interesting in terms of that share swap they did. FEMSA is a serious shareholder in
So those are Mexicans that owned that business, that put it in, so they've ended up with a chunky stake, like 20% as well. Okay, share chart though will reflect also the same thing that we saw earlier with Diageo, just moving steadily higher. This is the Amsterdam listed euro denominated share that we're looking at. So nothing to suggest that isn't going to continue to move in that direction. I mean, this is the time of the year when people are watching the UEFA Champions League, sponsored by Heineken, and drinking the Heineken beers while they weep into their beers at Barcelona losing. Or if you're from Italy, cheering and drinking an extra one because Juventus is winning the day. This kind of thing.
As you say, particularly when it comes to Europe, I mean, these guys really are fantastic. But as I say, across the world, I mean, the world's second biggest brewery now, a long way behind AB InBev. But as you say, the control is never is going to be wrested from the family for as long as Mrs. de Carvalho is around.
Good. We'll go hot on that one too then.